Most people aren't failing because they're lazy. They're failing because they're scattered. Before Marcus Aurelius became a legend, there was a moment no one talks about. He sat alone at night, sick, exhausted, surrounded by chaos. Rome was collapsing, friends betrayed him, power meant nothing, yet he wrote one line that saved his mind and shaped history. This video isn't motivation, it's 30 rules forged in chaos. Rules to help you win 2026, mentally, emotionally, and silently. Marcus Aurelius said, "If you seek tranquility, do less, but do it better." Winning in 2026 isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters, relentlessly. Before we begin, tap like if you're ready to sharpen your mind, and comment where you're watching from, and type "I am ready." Rule 1. Do one meaningful task a day, not 10, not everything. 1. The brain respects completion, chaos respects nothing. One finished task builds momentum, momentum builds confidence, confidence builds identity. Practical step, every morning ask, if I only completed one thing today, what would make tomorrow easier? Do that. Nothing else matters until it's done. Most people don't lack time, they lack focus. Rule 2. Wake up at the same time daily. Your nervous system craves rhythm. Chaos creates anxiety. Consistency creates power. You don't need motivation when your body runs on schedule. Wake time, sleep time. Fix the morning. The rest follows. Practical step. Choose a wake-up time. No negotiations. No exceptions. Even on weekends. Rule 3. Smile more, even when you don't feel like it. Your face sends signals to your brain, not the other way around. Smiling lowers cortisol. It disarms tension. It makes people trust you faster. This isn't weakness, it's social intelligence. Practical step, smile first, speak slower, watch doors open. Rule 4. The best revenge is silence. Nothing bothers insecure people more than your peace. Explaining yourself is optional. Defending your name is unnecessary. Reacting is a trap. Silence starves drama. Silence preserves energy. Practical steps. Say less. Move differently. Let outcomes speak. Rule 5. Chase one goal at a time. Multitasking is self-sabotage. Split focus creates split results. Stoics mastered singular devotion. One body, one mind, one mission. Practical steps. Write your top goal. Put everything else on pause. Finish, then move on. You're not behind. You're just distracted. Rule 6. Don't let the outside control the inside. Traffic, comments, news, opinions. None of these deserve emotional authority over you. External chaos is inevitable. Internal chaos is optional. Practical steps. When triggered, ask, is this within my control? If not, release it. Rule 7. Remember what you once prayed for. Gratitude resets perspective. Comparison destroys it. At some point, your current life was someone else's dream, maybe even yours. Don't insult your past self by being ungrateful now. Practical. Name 3 things you once wanted that you now have. Feel it, then continue. Rule 8. You don't need to bake the cake to enjoy it. Not everything requires mastery. Not every opinion needs a voice. You're allowed to enjoy without proving expertise. Peace comes when you stop auditioning for validation. Practical steps. Consume without commenting. Observe without reacting. Enjoy without explaining. Rule 9. Avoid lies, especially to yourself. Truth builds strength. Lies create cracks. Small dishonesty becomes internal distrust, and once you stop trusting yourself, everything collapses. Truth may hurt, but lies always cost more. Practical step. Speak clearly, mean what you say, correct yourself quickly. Rule 10. Live below your income. Flashy lives are often fragile. Quiet lives are powerful. Freedom comes from margin, not appearances. Wealth isn't what people see, it's what stress can't touch. Practical step. Spend intentionally, save aggressively, sleep peacefully. Rule 11. Pain is guaranteed. Life includes discomfort, uncertainty, effort, loss. Expecting otherwise creates suffering. Stoics didn't avoid pain, they prepared for it. What you accept stops controlling you. Practical step. When life gets hard, say, this is part of the contract. Rule 12. Avoid excess. Too much food, too much scrolling, too much pleasure, too much noise. Excess dulls the soul. Discipline restores sensitivity. Practical step. Remove one excess this week. Replace it with stillness. Rule 13. Always return what you borrow. Integrity is built in small moments. Nobody applauds this, but everyone notices. Trust compounds quietly and disappears loudly. Practical step. Return items early. Return favors fully. Return energy clean. Rule 14. Be on time. No excuses. Lateness is silent disrespect to others and to yourself. You don't run late. You choose priorities. Punctuality signals control. Control earns respect. Do this. Arrive 10 minutes early. Sit calmly. Let others rush. Discipline is louder than confidence. Rule 15. Know when to stay silent. Not every thought deserves oxygen. Not every truth needs timing. Silence is not weakness. It's strategic restraint. The wise listen longer than they speak. Do this. Pause before responding. Let others reveal themselves. Then decide. Rule 16. You are not your thoughts. Your mind generates noise. You are the observer, not the broadcast. Intrusive thoughts are visitors, not commands. Awareness creates freedom. Practical steps. When a thought appears, ask, is this useful or just loud? Release what doesn't serve. Rule 17. Neglecting your body is self-harm. Chronic stress, overeating, no sleep, no movement. These are socially accepted forms of destruction. The body keeps score, always. Practical steps. Sleep first, walk daily, drink water. This is discipline, not self-care. Rule 18. Your circle amplifies you. Energy multiplies, so does weakness. You become louder, sharper, or duller based on who surrounds you. Choose environments that demand growth. Do this. Audit your circle. Reduce exposure to chaos. Increase proximity to clarity. Show me your circle, and I'll predict your year. Rule 19. Motivation is unreliable. Motivation fades, systems remain. Waiting to feel ready is procrastination disguised as patience. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Do this. Move first, think later, repeat daily. Rule 20. Tomorrow is decided tonight. Mornings are won the night before. Disorganized nights create chaotic days. Prepared nights create decisive mornings. Clarity sleeps better. Practical step. Plan tomorrow before bed. Write 3 priorities. Wake up already aligned. Rule 21. Spend time like currency. Time is non-refundable. Energy is non-renewable. Every yes is a withdrawal. Guard your calendar like your bank account. Practical step. Schedule rest. Schedule focus. Remove empty obligations. Note this. Busy isn't productive. It's distracted. Rule 22. Choose the harder option first. Comfort delays growth. Discomfort accelerates it. The harder choice usually points to truth. Avoidance compounds pain. Courage dissolves it. Practical. Ask daily, what am I avoiding? Do that first. Rule 23. Trust your resilience. You've survived more than you remember. You'll survive what's coming. Fear exaggerates the future. Strength lives in the present. You adapt faster than you think. Practical step. When afraid, say, I'll handle it when it arrives. Rule 24. Other people's expectations are a trap. Living to please others fractures identity. You can meet expectations or build a life. Approval is rented. Self-respect is owned. Do this. Say no without explanation. Choose alignment over applause. Rule 25. Control your inputs. What you watch, what you read, what you listen to. Your mind is shaped by exposure. Garbage in, chaos out. Practical. Reduce negative content. Increase silence. Protect mornings. Rule 26. Master emotional regulation. Anger reveals weakness. Calm reveals power. Whoever controls emotion controls direction. Stillness intimidates chaos. Do this. Breathe before reacting. Lower your voice. Slow your movements. Rule 27. Build skill, not image. Image fades. Skill compounds. Quiet mastery outlasts loud branding. Let results introduce you. Practical step. Practice privately. Improve daily. Publish selectively. Rule 28. Detach from outcomes. Obsessing over results creates anxiety. Focusing on effort builds peace. Control actions, not rewards. Outcome obsession is ego. Process devotion is wisdom. Practical step. Ask, did I show up fully? That's enough. Rule 29. Respect small wins. Progress is rarely dramatic. Consistency is invisible until it isn't. Small victories stack silently. Do this. Track effort. Celebrate completion. Repeat without drama. This is the most important one. Rule 30. Live like time is finite, because it is. Every delay costs something. Every decision matters. One day, there will be no later. Do this. Say what matters. Do what scares you. Live deliberately, because life is short to leave with regret of what should have been done. 2026 doesn't reward intention, it rewards execution. Most people heard these rules, few will live them. The question is simple, will you? Comment below the rules that resonates with you and action you will like to take. I will be glad to hear and learn from you.